Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all will be doing great. You all are welcome to the online class. Dear students, I hope you will be taking good care of yourself, your studies and your health as well. You have to take good precautionary measures by following all the SOPs and staying at home against COVID-19. Dear students, our today's topic is human need, and this is our lesson number 8 from our book Understand and Communicate, book 1. So kindly all of you open the page 49. This is the page 49. As we have already read this chapter, today I have to assign you some classwork. Today you have to make the sentences from the words I have given. So you have to use these words in your sentences. The first word is monotonous. It means boring, dull, lacking in variety and interest. The second word is exotic, and you have to use this word in your own sentence. Exotic means non-native, very different, strange or unusual, or it means introduced from another country. The third word is regulate, and it means control, adjust or manage. The next word is occasion, and it means a particular event or the time at which that particular event take place. The next word is primitive, and it's mean ancient, earliest or first or primary. The next word is starve, and it means suffer or die or cause to suffer or die from hunger. The second last word is necessary, and it's mean obligatory, compulsory, needed, or you may say vital. Okay. The last word that I have given to you for making sentence is variety, and it's mean diversity, variation, the quality or state of being different or diverse. So these are the words, and you have to use these words in your own sentences. Okay, so that is all for today. You just have to make the sentences and have a good day. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.